Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you Standard 1 chapter 18, and it's the second part, like the lecture number 2. So we will start the new chapter, page number 76, the sky. But before that we will go through the previous, what we have learned in the first videos. So first of all we have learned about the earth. So we lived what? We lived on earth land. We lived on the earth planets. Our earth is like an orange. It is like an orange. I think you have saw the picture of orange, and maybe you have ate also orange. It's like a fruit. So our earth is also looks like the same. It is made up of land and water. Earth is what? Earth is made up of land and water. So we can see the different types of landforms on earth, present on the earth, such as first of all plains. Plains is what? It is like a flat lands. Plains is flat lands which called plains. Flat lands are called plains. Second is mountains and small mountains are called hills. Mountain and small mountains are called hills. Next, valleys. In between the hills and mountains, that area are called valley. In fact, we can grow our crops, food also there in valleys. You can see the picture, plains, the mountains and the valleys. So a small model of the earth is called globe. A small model of the earth is called globe. Now next topic is what, because we know that our earth is made up of land and water. So because of the land we have learned that different types of forms like plains, hills and valleys. Now we will talk about the water. So water is what? It is also present in the form, water is also present on the earth in many forms, in different types of forms, like as snow on high mountains. Means with the snow it is present on the high mountains. Then water, then in lakes, oceans, rivers and seas. With the in presence of water, it is also present in these areas. In fact, as vapors in the air. And water in seas and oceans is salty. It is not good for our health, so we can't drink the seas and oceans water. Next is the sky. Now what is the sky? Next topic is page number 76. So what is sky? The sky, you can underline, it is already written in your book. So the sky is the space. The sky is the space above the earth, where you can see the sun, moon, clouds and stars. So sky is what? It's a full of space, where space above the earth, means it is not below the earth, it is above the earth. Like earth is there, then sky is there. So it is above the earth, where we can see the sun, moon, the clouds and the stars. So these all are the it is always present in the above in the sky. So do you know the earth has much more water than has land? Exactly, that our earth is what? It is made up of land and water, but our earth has more water than land. Means we have land at least 25%, but we have water on earth 75%. And like a few percent is good for our health. That few water is good for our health. That we will see when we will go in higher class. Next is, what does our sky consist of? Means when you will look up, then what you will see? What that space has, why the space has vacant and why is nothing is there. Then if you look up into the sky at daytime, so like it's the daytime, and you will look into the sky in daytime, you will see that the sky looks blue in color. You can see that yes, sky looks like blue and white. It is a mixture of blue and white. And there is bright yellow ball. Which